Welcome to Activity 64. In this activity, we will be developing fluency, adding 2 single-digit numbers. To complete this activity, you need 4 counters that are 2-coloured. On the front face of one colour, draw dots with a marker so that you have the dots of 1 to 4. You will need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 10. Use the linear tens. If you have original boards, please remember to place them inside a write and wipe sleeve. Player 1 goes first. They pick up the 4 counters, shake and spill. For this turn, they have a total of 4. So this is where the blue player, player 1, places their blocks and player 2 places them here. Player 1 gets a second turn. They pick up the counters, shake again, and this time, in order to add these up, I can see 3 and 3. We're trying not to count the dots by ones, but looking for ways to rearrange these to make addition easier. So my second turn is 6. So for my score for this round, I got 10. And I need to record this as an addition equation. 4 add 6 equals 10. Player 2 has their turn. For turn 1, they got 6. And for their second turn, they scored 5. And when I add 6 add 5, it's 11. If I'm not sure, I can check by placing either on top or on top there to check, yes, it is 11. And then I record that score. The aim of the game is to build the largest hole. So for this round, player 2 wins. Now it's your turn. Remember when you spill to look at the counters and think about how you could rearrange them to make the addition easier. For example, 4 and 4 would be 8.